orgasm turnstile idols. You know, we like all the good shit. Look at my boy, he tweaking.
Who are you talking about? You talking about me?
No, I'm not talking about you. I was talking about the guy on the street, but I just didn't want this car to get filmed. I don't know who the fuck this is.
What the fuck was that?
Move it.
Did you see that?
Move it. No, I didn't.
Dumbass was just looking straight at me.
Jesus Christ, I hate that shit. Look at the dude and his dogs. I would film, but I don't want to get in a fight with some people out here. Is that my uncle? That's not my uncle, but I don't know. He looked goofy as fuck.
Oh, dude.
What was that story you just said?
Working at Tractor Supply, I was gonna have to be on register for 4 hours. So I asked Ike, stay 1 extra hour, because you've been up there for not long at all. He says, no can do, sir. I gotta get home. I have stuff to do. What is that stuff you have to do? Superhero stuff. Man goes home, I check the Xbox app, he's playing fucking Battlefront.
I wanted to hear him ride the China.
Keep it going, keep going. Keep it going, hold on.
Download the app to get started.
Fucking bitch.
Bailey, Pearl, Mr. Krabs, and
You gotta sing it too, dude. We're in a band together.
I forgot the lyrics. Mr. Krabs in tune. Fucking lyrics to the holy song. My man Noah playing baby games.
I know you can talk shit with Barney the dinosaur shoes.
That's drip.
That's drip.
It's baby games. Big trucks. Baby game. You're a little Batman?
Oh yeah.
I'm Tractor Supply, man.
Well, Batman was real.
I'm the Jarl of Tractor Supply. Oh, I can't stop puking. Yeah, you said that. SpongeBob, Patrick, do you really want to taste it? Are you recording now?
Yes.
Alright. Big Squirt here. We on the grounds of we can't say where so we don't get fired. But you already know, I mean. You're a honky. Paraginator.
This one. Okay, so hear me out. It's small as fuck. And that's, you have to put one of those in that. But if we get a bigger one, we can launch this motherfucker to the moon.
Fuck yeah. Are you for it, Noah?
I'm not for it, yeah. Anything for the Squirt.
I kinda
Anything.
Well, there's one for 1,100 feet, I guess. Like this one's for 11. I have a lot.
From that?
Just for the fuck of it.
Don't be getting me in that video. What are you doing? Look at the bird on there. He's gonna bite you.
Where is he?
Yeah, see him? He's...
Where is he? I can't see him.
Nick, I have an issue. Nick's not helping.
Where's the bird?
Well, the other night can't help. Can't see much.
I think
Is this
no,
a
no.
cat?
The bird's not in
Yeah,
there.
this is Artemis.
Oh, the bird's. Chinchilla
I'm
time.
about to hold